Okay, so welcome back. Today on this particular video we want to look at how to create worksheets using Canva. I'm making use of Canva Pro. That's notwithstanding, you can make use of Canva, whether the free version or the pro version. Now, as a teacher, if you have an employment letter that shows you are a teacher, or if you have an ID card that shows you are a teacher, you can sign up for Canva for Educators and it is free. Do you understand what I'm saying? Canva for teachers, it is completely free, right? But I make use of the pro version. I'm not making use of my identity as a teacher on Canva. I make use of a pro version using another email address. And on today's video, we want to look at how to create worksheets using Canva. Now, as a teacher, I heard someone say that Canva is the personal Lord and Savior of teachers. And I can tell you that it is absolutely what? Absolutely correct. Whether you teach in the online space, in the virtual space, or you teach in the physical classroom, especially if it's a private school, you can do a lot of things on Canva. You can print them out and hang in your classes. You can beautify your classes. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, today we want to create worksheets, right? As a teacher. As you can see, I already have worksheets listed here. I already have worksheets listed here, right? Now, this is my designs. These are the designs I've done so far on Canva. They are loading. I have so many Canva addresses. This is just the one I make use of as a teacher, right? Now, we want to look at templates because you can create from scratch, but sometimes, especially if you are not so into tech, you're not a graphics designer, you can create your template from scratch. Now, what we have here that is showing here are presentations. The reason why these ones are showing is because I've been using presentations lately. So you can use this to create slides for your class. I made use of these presentations to prepare the slides for these classes. Do you understand? So you can use this to create slides for your class. So if, assuming you have chemistry today, you have physics, you have biology, you have whatever, you can use this to create slides for your class. Instead of setting up your tripod and writing on the whiteboard. I mean, we've left that stage. Everything has gone digital. Do you understand? So you can use this to create slides, but we are not here for slides yet. We are here to create worksheets. After worksheets, we'll look into slides presentation. Now, just like I said earlier, you don't have to design from scratch, isn't it? We want a template. So you can just, I teach mathematics, so you can just say mathematics worksheets. Or instead of writing mathematics worksheet, what topic do you want to teach? You can say skip countings. Skip counting in fives. So let's search and see what we have. So you're searching. Now, this is it. Skip counting by fives. Can you see? Skip counting by fives. It is these worksheets that you will edit it, upload it on Google Classroom. You have to go back and watch that video on Google Classroom. You will upload it on Google Classroom, share the class link with your student. The student will sign up to Google Classroom and do the assignment there and turn it into you. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I love this one. I love this. So let's make use of this. So this is a template I'm going to work on. The only thing I might want to change here is my brand colors. Right? Now, this color does not in any way resonate with my brand as a mathematics teacher. Now, this brings us to your brand, your colors. If your colors are mainly green, blue, depending on your preference, let everything that you do, your slides, your assignments, let them show your brand colors. Now, this color, this is how it looks like, but I don't want this. So I tap on it and I want to change the color, but I don't want to use any of this. So I'll just scroll up and let's see. Now, I have a brand kit. Inside this brand kit, my colors are here. Inside this brand kit, my fonts, the fonts I use for my slides, everything I do on Canva, they are also here. And it is you that will upload it by yourself. I uploaded these colors. I looked for their HEX, right? I looked for their hex codes, HEX. I looked for their hex codes using ChatGPT, and I uploaded my brand colors here. Now, this might be so deep. I want something that is inviting, so I can use this warm color. This color is quite warm. Now it's asking me, do I want to change all of the teal colors to this? I can say no, I don't want to change it. So I will not press on tap on change all. I won't tap on change all. I can just leave it at that. Now, let's come here. I want to change this color. I don't like it. 1 and 2. It is not part of my brand colors. Is that correct? So let's change it to something like this. Are you seeing this? Now it's asking me, do I want to change all of this to this? I can say yes now. Right? Now, let's come back to this place. I want to change this color. What color did I use for the heading? I think it is this. Yes. Let's change all. Are you seeing it now? Are you seeing it? It's beginning to look like my thing. So we are counting in fives here. This one started from 25. And you see, dash 35 40 dash dash. So the student will write his answers inside here and also write his name and the date he is doing this assignment. This is page 1. This is page 2. Okay, this is counting in tens, and this is what keep counting by tens as well. Right, good. So I want to change this now. So let's change this. We've changed the first page. Let's change this. This is how it's looking now. This is how it's looking. Let's come here and change, also skip counting by tens. Let's change it to this. Now we've changed it. Is there anything left that I want to do? Let's see. Now you might want to add your logo to this, especially if you are going to, how will I put this now? Now, if you are going to sell it, right, you can compile worksheets into PDF and sell. For example, if I want to sell worksheets on skip countings, I can compile PDFs on skip counting in 2s, skip counting by 5s, skip counting by 10s. I won't match them like this. Every PDF will have each own. So when you come to this first PDF, skip counting by 1s, second PDF, skip counting by 2s, by 5, by 10, I can have a pile of them, right? And I can sell it. I might not put my logo there. I might not put my logo on that one, because whatever you sell to somebody automatically becomes the person's own. Is that correct? But this is my child's assignment. This is my student's assignment. This is my pupil's assignment. You can choose to do what? You can choose to put your logo. Or if you teach in a private school, you can choose to put your logo. It's another way of marketing yourself, right? You can put your logo and print this in colors. So I want to put my logo. Now I will come to the brand icon. For now, these are the things I have on this brand icon. My logo is loading, right? My logo is loading. I will tap on it. It has finished loading. But I can't use it like this. See the way it's looking. I can't use it like this. So what do? I will remove background. Remember, I'm making use of CANVA Pro. So I'll just tap on this BG remover at the bottom part of my phone. And it's removing. Good. The BG remover has finished removing background. So this is how my logo looks now. I can put this here. If you put it here, this is how it's going to look like. So this is keep counting by 5s. The instruction is given. Did I do anything on this worksheet? The only thing I did was to change the colors to my own, because the initial colors did not resonate with my brand. Assuming I want to change this to brown. Let's see if I can change this to brown color. Brown is part of my brand colors. Let's see if I can do this, or if I can do this. Which one is better? You see, you can just play around your brand colors. Anyone will work. Play around your brand colors. Is that correct? So we can just do something like this. So the next thing you want to do here as well is to add your brand logo. When your brand logo appears, you remove the background. When you remove the background, you adjust this. You can put the same position for others. You go back, go forward to the next one, tap on brand, tap on your brand logo, remove background, adjust the size of this, and place here. And that is all about creating worksheets. That is all about what? Creating worksheets. Now, you want to export this, right? You want to download this. You tap on this upload icon. You tap on it. And it asks you if you want to share the link or if you want to download. If you share the link, your student will do this assignment on Canva. But let's download it to PDF. Now it's asking PDF standard suggested, right? Hold on. Of course, it's PDF. You're not working on slides, right? So we can just PDF standard, pages 1 to 3. Yes, I want you to download all the pages. And now it's downloading. Good. It is this document that I will upload on Google Classroom. Now that I've downloaded this, I can as well send this to my drive. I want to send it to my drive. Maybe I'm not in a hurry to use it yet. I can send this to my drive. Now, you can select your destination. Primary Math Hub is the destination. My drive. I don't have any folder on worksheets here. I don't have any folder on worksheets. So you can just go back. Now, change the name of this document to Skip Countings by fives and tens, so that you can easily identify what document it is, and you save. Now have you seen my Google Drive icon? This document is what is uploading, and that's for creating worksheets. Now it is not just for mathematics alone. Let's try something different. Let's see if we can create worksheets for parts of the body, right? So let's go back to home. We want to create worksheets using CANVA, parts of the body. So our CANVA is loading. Good. Now, the first worksheet we created is counting by fives. That's why it's still here. Now, you want to tell your pupil to match parts of the body. So you can just write matching worksheets. Just type what you want and Canva will give it to you. Matching parts of the body worksheet. Let's see if they have something like this. Even if they don't, you can work around it. Can you see? Body parts name. There is nothing you will not find on Canva. Can you see? Body parts name. Can you see? Now, I love this one. Wow, I love this one and I love this one. So let's choose the one that we want. So let's do this. Good. So this is body parts. Match the numbers to the words. Now, it is your student that will write on this, not you. Number one question says the wrist. Where is the wrist? The wrist is number 16, if I can see correctly. Your student will write what? Number 16 on that small dot beside the wrist. The next one is the neck. What number is the neck? I can see number 6. Is your student that will write number 6 there. What number is the waist? I can see number 9. Your student will write number 9. Now, if this is your brand color, beautiful, you can leave it. But me, this is not my brand color. So let's change it to my brand colors. We used this in the last class. This is brighter. Let's see this. This is dark. See this. Can you see? You can also use white, black. This is warm. Good. We can use this. Now, because we are using this as the background, our body parts is no longer visible. So we can change this to black. Body parts. Good. Every other thing remains the same. Now, this is purple in color. We can change it. We don't want purple. You can change it to this or change it to this and change all so that every purple in this changes to this color, and that is body parts. You can also put your logo if you so wish, right? I want to put my logo to this. This is my brand logo. Now I will remove the background. After removing the background, I will minimize this. You can put it here. The up is quite full, so you can just put it here. Good. So body parts match the numbers to the words. As usual, you upload this to what? You can upload this. This is a PNG. No, your students cannot write on PNG. So leave it as what? As PDF. Right? Now you are downloading this. It is this document that you will upload on Google Classroom as assignment. If you are a science teacher, inter-science teacher, elementary science, intro tech, or whatever, it is this document that you will upload. Thank you so much and welcome. See you in our next video. Bye.